dear students, in this video we will understand how can we find the binary equivalent of any decimal number and decimal equivalent of any binary number. First we will start with the decimal to binary. For this we use repeated division method. In this we divide the number and quotient continuously by 2 and record the remainder. After that we will just write down the remainder from bottom to top. This is the binary equivalent of any decimal number. In this example, 24 is a decimal number because outside of parenthesis 10 is written. Now we have to find the binary equivalent. For this we will use repeated division method. First we start with the 24 divided by 2 and what will be the quotient come? 12. 12 multiplied 2 equals to 24 and remainder will come children. 24 minus 24 is 0. Now we will just divide the 12 by 2 because 12 is greater than 2. And in quotient we get the 6. 6 multiplied 2 equals to 12. 12 minus 12 children, remainder 0 is coming. We will note down the remainder 0. Now 6 is greater than 2. So again we will just divide 6 by 2 and in quotient we get 3. 3 multiplied 2, 6 and 6 minus 6, 0. So we will note down the remainder 0 right side of the division. 3 is greater than 2. Though 3 is a odd number but it is greater than 2. So we will just divide the 3 by 2. 2 multiply 1 equals to 2. And now what will remainder comes? 3 minus 2, it means remainder 1 is coming. We will note down the remainder 1. Now children, see the quotient area. 1 is less than 2. So we will not continue division anymore. What we will do, we will just put the cross sign in quotient area and we will note down this 1 in the remainder area. Now we will read from bottom to top. This is the binary equivalent of 24. 1 1 0 0 0. See this example. In this example, we have to find binary equivalent of 16. The same repeated division method we will use. We will start by 16 divided by 2 and what will come in quotient? 8. 8 multiplied 2 equals to 16. We will note down the remainder 0 in the right side. Now 8 is greater than 2. So we will again divide 8 by 2 and we get 4 quotient. 2 multiply 4 equals to 8. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. 4 is greater than 2. Also it is an even number. So quotient 2 will come. 2 multiply 2 equals to 4 and remainder is 0. So we will note down the remainder 0. Now 2 itself divide by 2. 2 multiply 1 equals to 2. Remainder is coming 0. Now children, in quotient 1 is coming, that is less than 2. So we will not divide it anymore. We will put the cross sign in quotient area. We will note down this 1 in remainder area. Now we will read from bottom to top. What is the binary equivalent of 16? 1 0 0 0 0. Now in this example we will try to find out the binary equivalent of 62. First we will divide 62 by 2 and quotient will come 31. 31 multiplied 2 equals to 62. 62 minus 62, 0 is coming. So we will note down 0. Now 31 is an odd number but still it is greater than 2. So we will divide the 31 by 2 children. 15 multiplied to 30 is coming. So remainder 1 is there. We will note down the remainder right side. 15 is again odd number but divisible by 2 because it is greater than 2. 2 multiplied 7 equals to 14. Remainder 1 is coming. Now 7 is greater than 2. So divide the 7 by 2. 2 multiplied 3 equals to 6. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. 3 is greater than 2. Divide the 3 by 2. In quotient 1 is coming. 2 multiplied 1 equals to 2. So 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Remainder, note down the remainder 1. Now children, we will stop division and we will put the cross sign in quotient area. We will note down this 1 in the remainder area. Now read from bottom to top. 1 1 1 1 1 0. This is the binary equivalent of 62. So this way we will find out binary equivalent of decimal number. Now we will understand how we will find out the decimal equivalent of any binary. In this, what we have to do? We have to find out the binary numbers, sum of product of each binary digit with its position value. When we multiply each binary digit with its position value and we will just add the sum of, we will add the all these calculation, we will get the decimal equivalent. In this we have a one binary number 11000. We have to use expanded form. We start from right to left. We will note down the binary digit in expanded form. Now we have to multiply each binary digit with its position value, and position value is counted by 2's power because 2 is a base of binary number system. Power start from 0, 2's power 0. Now power will increase as we move to the left side. So this time power will increase from 1, 0 plus 1, 1. So 2's power 1. For the next binary digit, power will be 1 plus 1, 2. 2's power 2. We will put the plus sign. We will multiply 1, that is binary digit, with 2's power 3 and this time 3 plus 1, 2's power 4. So these are the position value that we will multiply the binary digit and we will just sum all of them. Children, 2's power 0. Any number has a power 0, it count as a 1. So here what will come? 0 multiplied by 1. We will put the plus sign. Now see, 2's power 1 means number itself. 2. Any number has a power 1 means number itself. Take the another binary digit. 0 multiplied by 2's power 2 means we will multiply 2 times. 2 into 2. What comes? 4. Now we will note down the 1. 2's power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. We will multiply 2 3 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 8 will come. Note down the next binary digit 1. 2's power 4. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 4 times. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Now anything we multiply by 0, 0 comes. So 0 multiplied by 1, 0 is coming. 0 multiplied by 2, again 0 is coming. 0 multiplied by 4, 0 will come. 1 multiplied by 8, 8 is coming. and 1 multiply 16 means 16. Now we will add 16 plus 8, 24. So this is the decimal equivalent of this binary number. Now children, in this example we have a binary number 10000. Outside of parenthesis 2 is written, it shows it is a binary number. We have to find decimal equivalent. Again we will just write down the binary number in expanded form and we will just multiply the binary digit with its position value, place value, that is 2's power. First we start from the right side, 2's power 0. Now as we move to the left side, position will increase by power will increase. 0 plus 1, 1. We will just see this time power will increase. 1 plus 1, 2. Put the plus sign, note down the and again the binary digit, multiply by 2's power 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Put the plus sign, note down binary digit, it will multiply by 2's power 3 plus 1, 4. We will just further calculate it. Now children, 2's power 0 means any number has a power 0 means what comes? 1. So here 1 is coming, we will put the plus sign. We will just see that 2's power 1, any number has a power 1, it means number itself. That is the reason 2 is coming. Put the plus sign, note down the next binary. 2's power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2's are 4. So 4 is coming. Put the plus sign. Now this binary digit will multiply by 2's power 3 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. We have to continuously multiply the number itself in case of power children. Now put the plus sign, note down the next binary digit. 2's power 4 means multiply 2 4 times. 2 2's are 4, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16. Now see, any number multiplied by 0, 1 and 0, 0 comes. 0 multiply 2, again 0 will come. 0 multiply 4, 0 is coming. 0 multiply 8, 0 is coming. 1 multiply 16, 16 is coming. So 16 is a decimal equivalent of this binary number. Now in this example we have a 1 1 1 1 1 0. This is a binary number. We have to find its decimal equivalent. We will note down in the expanded form. And now we will just multiply each digit, binary digit, with its position value, that is 2's power. 2's power 0. As we move from right to left, power will increase by 1 for each position. So 1 multiply 2's power 1. We will put the plus sign, note down the next binary number digit, that is 1. It will be multiplied 2's power 1 plus 1, 2. We will put the plus sign, note down the next binary digit. This time it will divide by, multiply by 2's power 2 plus 1, 2's power 3. Put the plus sign, note down the next binary digit. It is multiplying by 3 plus 1, 2's power 4. We will just use plus sign. And last is 1 again, we will multiply by 2's power 4 plus 1, 5. Now we will solve it. As I told you, any number has a power 0, it counts as a 1. So 1 is coming. Now see, 1 multiplied 2's power 1, matlab number itself. So 2 is coming. Use plus sign. Note down the next binary digit. 2's power 2 means 2 multiplied 2, 4. So 1 will be multiplying by 4. Put plus sign. Note down the next one digit. 2's power 3 means multiply 2 3 times. 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Use plus sign. Note down next one digit. 2's power 4 means we multiply 2 4 times. 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Put plus sign. Note down the next one digit. It will be multiplying by 2's power 5 means we will multiply 2 5 times. 2 multiplied 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Here 32 will note down. Now any number multiplied by 0, 0 comes. 2 multiply 1, 2. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 1 multiply 8 equals to 8. 1 multiply 16 equals to 16. 1 multiply 32 equals to 32. Now we will just add all these numbers. What will come? 62. So this 62 is a decimal equivalent of given binary number. So this way children, we will find out decimal equivalent of any binary number. Thank you.